Welcome to Amaze Interiors. Now I am at Appasamy Trellis, Vadapalani. Let's have a look around this beautiful flat. The foyer area of the flat, which has got a good storage for placing the shoes, and it has been given L-shaped containers with granite on top. A small storage for placing the other things. We are at the passage area of the flat, which has got beautiful spotlights on top with ledges. On both the sides, it has been provided with wooden framework with plain strips. And it has got a beautiful orange texture which gives pleasant look to the place, and it has also got a base unit with granite on top, and it has also been provided with a very good storage place for placing the things. Now we are at the living room of the flat, which has got an adorable TV unit with the two color combination, that is chocolate brown and white, with spotlights on the top and curved ledges on top and bottom. It has also got storage units, that is the base unit and extra storage units too, and it has also got a beautiful showcase unit with C-shaped handle and adjustable shelves, which makes it easier to handle the things, and also one more showcase unit which has also got adjustable shelves. And the room has got beautiful leaf shaped bookshelves to arrange your books in a very neat manner. The room is given with a beautiful wall painting with musical alphabets and a bright red color which gives a ambience to the room. It has also got stone cladding with natural designs carved upon it with spotlights on the top, and the finishing is perfect with the wooden frame outfit. The room has also got beautiful bright red and golden colored curtains which matches the ambience of the room and which gives us a complete look for the room. The room is provided with a false ceiling which is box shaped, and it has also been given with wooden work and spotlights which gives a perfect finish for the room. Now we are at the dining room of the flat, which has crockery unit with a hanging unit and a base unit given with a granite, and the hanging unit has got beautiful designed transparent glass with wooden framework which has also got adjustable shelves, and the base unit has also got good storage with easy handling. The dining room has got an elegant false ceiling with a rectangular shaped curved edges, and it has also got wooden work done in between that with spotlights which gives a beautiful look to the room. Now we are at the puja unit of the flat, which has got peacock handles on the door and Ganesha imprinted on the transparent glass with bells on both the sides carved with square shaped designs, and it has also got multicolored beautiful glass which gives elegant look to the unit. And also these bells gives a very divine look to the unit. And on the top we have got art shaped wooden work with leaf designs carved upon that. And the unit has also got good storage units, that is with the base unit on granite on top of that, and it has also got wooden paneling at the middle and at the side with floral designs. It has got a simple strips in the middle, and it has also got floral designs on top with spotlights provided, and it gives a divine look to the place. Now we are at the favorite place of everyone, that is kitchen of this flat, which has got beautiful color combination, that is magenta and white with simple carved designs on that. It has got a hanging unit and a base unit. The hanging unit is being provided with profile handling which makes it easy for the users. It has got a small open storage to place the glasses and bowls, and the base unit has got profile handles with plain storage containers. Now we are on the other side of the kitchen, which also has got a hanging unit and a base unit. The base unit also has got cutlery, and it has been provided with a chimney And if you look at the tiles, it is been provided with beautiful designs, that is the cup and saucer, and it is white in color, which gives a complete elegant look to the kitchen. And the kitchen has been provided with loft on all sides for extra storage. Now we are at the master bedroom of the flat, which has got a pleasant purple colored Aristo sliding door wardrobe, which has got good space for placing the clothes, dressing table, and which has also got some storage inside it. And there is also a mini storage provided on the other side of the dressing table, which makes it comfortable to place the things. Now we are moving to the TV unit of the room, which is quite small, but it gives a complete look to the room. And it has also been provided with curved ledge with a color combination of white and purple, which gives a simple and classic look. And even this has been given with storage for placing the things, and on the other side it has got curved ledges for placing small things of the room. And the wall of the master bedroom has got a beautiful tree where the leaves are withering down with birds chirping and flying, which gives a natural look and which makes the room really appealing. Now we are at the kids room of the flat, which has got beautiful turquoise blue, which gives a bright color to the room, and which has also got good storage with adjustable shelves on both the sides and with turquoise blue colored storage in between. And it has also got curved ledges for placing small things of the. Now we are at the other side of the room, which has got Aristo sliding door, which makes it easy for placing the things in the cupboard. And it has also got dressing table, which is also given with the blue and white combination with nice mirror and a spotlight. The other side of the room has also got cupboards with adjustable shelves and one more study table with the white and blue combination, and on the top it is provided with loft for extra storage. The wall of the room is beautifully painted with yellow color for the background, and it has been provided with chirping birds and leaves, which gives a natural look to the room. And it has got a queen size bed with metallic strips attached. It has also got a mini storage for storing things. Now we are at the guest room of the flat, which has also got Aristo sliding doors for easy handling of the cupboard. The room has been given with a dressing table with a nice mirror and a spotlight, and on the top of the room it has been provided with loft for extra storage. The room has also got a small TV unit with curved ledge on top and a curved base unit with the two storages, and it has been given a color combination of chocolate brown and white, which gives a simple and elegant look. And on the other side of the room, the wall is being painted with natural tree shaped picture, which gives a pleasant and appealing look for the room. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more details, log into amazinteriors.in and don't hesitate to call us. This is your Priya signing off. Thank you. Have a good day.